somebody really catch 200 pips in just a single move in the trading market. And now, have you ever wondered how professional traders catch 200 pips in a single move? Most people overcomplicate forex, they load their chart with too many indicators, take trades, and miss big moves. But with the right approach, you don't have to. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact setup I use, the entry, the stop loss, the take profit, and why the market gave me such a 200 pip run. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, make sure you smash that like button so more traders can see this, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my strategies. So without no waste of time, let's just dive straight into the analysis of how I caught this huge 200 pip run. This huge 200 pip run, just as you can see. So now let's go. First up, what I did that I find out good zone the market has reached and reacted off. Now looking at this demand zone of here, I saw this demand zone. This demand zone of here, I saw this demand zone. I guess I'll just change the color. Okay, yeah. So you can see I saw this good demand zone. Then I was looking for another zone again where the market has reached. Then I marked out. Then I marked out this zone here. This is a good zone the market has reached and reacted off. The market got there and began to push down. And now I was still looking for more zones. Then I found out some good zone over here. This is a very good zone. This is a good zone. The market is reaching there and having momentum to push down. These are good zone. Maybe we just extend it. So sorry. So maybe just extend it to here. Is that valid? Okay. I guess that's very good valid zone. So you can see I clearly got this good move right around here. I had my demand zones, I had my supply zone. Now guess what happened? This trade, I entered a trade around here formally due to it got to my demand zone. I entered a trade here, then I placed my this is the 1 hour chart. Then I placed my stop loss just beneath this zone. Just beneath this zone. Yeah, so I entered here. I placed my stop loss just beneath this zone, and just as you can see, I got stopped out. Now I did something that sounds crazy. Now I looked at this thing that got me stopped out. Does it have any reaction to the market? Was there anything that this is the 4 hour now? Was there anything that this thing did to the market at some point? Then I found out that yes, something happened. That it left some good weak rejection. Now this is a good. Let me just use this. Now this is a good weak rejection. The market left some weak rejection. Now crazy enough. Let's get down to the 1 hour chart and see how it's looking. Now so you can see this. Now we have 3 touches. This has been the formation of another demand zone. Now what is a demand zone? You are going to see presence of the market reacting to a key level. Now 1 touch there, we have another one here, 2 touch, we have another one here, 3 touches straight. Now guess what happened? I was actually waiting to see if this zone is going to be respected, if the market is going to push with a whole lot of momentum. Then guess what happened? I saw this good push. The market pushed. Now you can see came back for a pullback.
And now note, whenever there's a pullback, these are good zones for you that you could scale in trades. Whenever there's a pullback, these are good zones to scale in trade. Now you see, after this pullback over here, and that was where I scaled in. After the pullback, I scaled in. Then guess what happened? I was actually trying to do something crazy. I targeted a good zone. I was trying to catch a 200 pip move. And so guess what happened? I expected these zones of here, this good supply zone, to be broken, because it has been reacted. It reacted the first time, reacted second time. Yeah. And this was where I scaled in. Now you could see this was where I scaled in those beautiful buys. And guess what gave me another motivation that this trade is going to be a good one? Let me show you. Come on, let's see. Let me show you this. It's going to sound crazy, but just watch out. Let me just zoom in clearly and show you what really made that confidence on me to have that good push. Now, what can you see here? Look at this yellow zone I've marked out. Look at this yellow zone. Look over here. Look at this yellow zone here. What do you see there? What do you see? What kind of candlestick formation do you see there? That's a doggy candlestick formation. It's called the doggy. Look at it there. It's called the doggy candlestick formation. Crazy enough, you can see that doggy candlestick formation came up. The doggy candlestick formed. The doggy candlestick formed, just like you see. Sorry. The doggy candlestick formation formed up, and now I had a whole lot of confidence to actually hold this trade. Now I held this trade just for only 4 hours, and it gave me this clean 200 pips run. Crazy, right? This is the only 1 hour chart. Now guess what happened? I was just overwhelmed. Like, I was filled with so much joy because the risk management, everything. Just imagine what I risk. I risk just a little amount. I risk on an account of, say, $20. I just risked, say, $4 just for one trade, and I had a target of about 200 pips. Now, how can you measure these pips? Most people don't know. Let me show you, just for the sake of learning. Click on measure on your trading view. Then now guess what? They're just going to mark out where you actually enter the trade. And now, sorry, let me bring this down. Now you're just going to click on the pencil icon, click on measure, then click on where you enter the trade. And now you're going to just look at this. And now guess what? This is 214.9, just as you can see up there, 214.9. That is 214 pip cut in one move, straight up.
And that's exactly how I got 200 pips in a single move. Note this, it wasn't about luck or guessing. It was about waiting for the setup, managing risk, and trusting the process. If you got value from this breakdown, go ahead and drop a like on this video. It really helps the channel grow, and let's be love. I would love to know what pair you are trading this week. And this week, I would love to hear from you. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell, because I've got more strategy that's coming every week. Please guys, I just need 1k sub, please. I just need 1k sub. Whosoever is watching the video, please just hit that subscribe button for me. And since you are serious about improving, the next step is to watch my video over here. And if you can combine these two videos, you'll be ahead of 90% of traders. Click on it now and see you there.